Eureka, you've just struck gold with a killer business idea that can solve problems and potentially earn you a handsome sum of money. But what's the catch? You're the only employee and you've never done this before. So how do you go from having an idea to starting a thriving solo business? Whether it's creating your dream side hustle or achieving full financial independence, this video will give you the blueprint to do just that. In the next few minutes, we'll break down exactly how to launch, grow, and manage your business, and why 90 days is the perfect time frame to realistically accomplish this. Welcome to 90 Days Better, the channel where we turn big goals into achievable results, one habit at a time. Today's topic is all about launching a thriving solo business in 90 days, everything from channeling your winning idea to getting your first customers. Stick around until the end, as we'll share a surprising productivity tip that successful entrepreneurs swear by, which could very well change how you approach your process. Ready? Let's get to work. The entrepreneurial journey isn't easy. Did you know that nearly 20% of small businesses fail in their first year, largely due to poor planning, inconsistent cash flow, and burnout? Many aspiring entrepreneurs rush into things without a roadmap, and the overwhelming pile of tasks that come with running a business causes them to falter. But here's the thing, a solo business doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, with a solid 90-day plan, you can avoid common mistakes, start earning income, and position your business for long-term growth. The key is to focus on the right steps at the right time. Your first week is all about idea expansion and validation. Ask yourself, what are you passionate about and what can you offer that people need? Some of the most profitable solo businesses today include freelancing, consulting, e-commerce, and online coaching. But it's not just about your passion. Your idea needs to solve a real problem or provide value in a unique way. Use tools like Google Trends, social media, and competitor analysis to see if there's demand for your idea. Once you've got something solid, validate it through surveys, feedback, or even by offering pre-orders for your product or service. Validation is crucial. It prevents you from investing time and money into something that won't work. Next, write a simple, one-page business plan. This isn't about complex financial forecasts, but a clear outline of your business's purpose, target market, and revenue streams. It will serve as your guide through the next 90 days. In weeks 2 through 4, it's time to focus on building your brand and setting up your business's infrastructure. Start with branding. Choose a unique and memorable name, design a simple but impactful logo, and create a clear mission statement that showcases the value you provide. With your branding in place, create an online presence. Set up a basic website using platforms like Squarespace, WordPress, or an AI site builder like Hostinger. If you're offering services, a strong LinkedIn profile is a must. If it's a product-based business, Shopify can help you get started with e-commerce quickly. In this phase, you should also establish essential business tools. Accounting software like QuickBooks or Wave will keep your finances organized. Email marketing platforms like MailChimp will help you build and engage your audience. Don't forget to automate as much as possible. Tools like Zapier can connect your apps and save you time. By the end of week 4, you should aim to secure your first sale or client. Reach out to your network, post on social media, or leverage platforms like Fiverr and Upwork to get your first gigs. At the beginning of month 2, shift your focus to marketing and building awareness for your business. Start with organic strategies. Content marketing, whether through blog posts, YouTube videos, or Instagram Reels, helps establish you as an expert within your niche. Optimizing your content for search engines, or SEO, will bring in traffic over time without having to spend on ads. If you have a budget, experiment with paid advertising on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Google. Be sure to target specific audiences based on your niche to get the best return on investment. Keep a close eye on analytics so you know which campaigns are working and which need adjustment. At this point, your customer journey matters more than ever. From the moment someone discovers your business to when they make a purchase, every interaction should be seamless. This includes offering great customer service, consistently following up, and making the buying process easy on your website or social media. Scaling can also mean expanding your offerings. If you're a service provider, think about adding complementary services. If you sell products, consider launching a new product line that complements what you're already offering. As you enter month 3, you'll likely start facing the challenge of managing growth. Juggling marketing, sales, customer service, and operations can get overwhelming, especially as a solo entrepreneur. This is where time management becomes critical. Use time blocking techniques to allocate specific hours for different tasks, such as client work, business development, and personal growth. Delegation can also be a game changer. Consider hiring a virtual assistant or freelancer to handle routine tasks like social media management, admin work, or even customer service. If hiring isn't in the budget yet, automation tools like Buffer for social media scheduling or QuickBooks for accounting can make a significant difference in freeing up your time. Finally, re-engage your existing customers. It's easier and cheaper to sell to a returning customer than to acquire a new one. Use email marketing, offer loyalty programs, or create special offers for repeat business. By the end of 90 days, the transformation will be undeniable. You started with a simple idea, and now you have a fully operational business with real customers, revenue, and a growth strategy. Not only have you gained the technical skills to run a business, but you've also developed resilience and problem-solving abilities that will help you continue to grow. Look at the before and after. 3 months ago, your business was just a dream. Today, it's a reality, generating income and providing value to customers. The journey isn't over, but you're well on your way to solo entrepreneurship success. Here's a fun productivity hack. The Zeigarnik effect states that our brains focus more on incomplete tasks than completed ones, leading to mental clutter. Much like the Pomodoro technique, breaking large tasks into smaller actionable steps can clear your mind and boost productivity. Try applying this technique to your daily business activities and watch how much more you get done. Congratulations, you've made it through our 90-day guide to launching a thriving solo business. If you followed these steps, you should be well on your way to entrepreneurial success. From setting up your business foundations to securing your first clients and managing growth, you now have the tools to continue scaling. But remember, this is just the beginning of your empire. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below sharing your progress. Our channel covers a variety of habits from health and wealth to finance and fitness, and chances are we have something just for you. Check the links in the description for tools and resources that will help you on your journey. And until next time, stay motivated and keep growing.